Abakenya baganyerete ritkoria angio chitariki 5 erio koigwa okunacha gwekigambiro gya Supreme kubatikana nekina yo kwamireria machibu yobochoria sekirogo kyubura yobonene bwense todobna abara ikorwa sechinse moibere korwa sensemo ya Kenya kwanza oyore Dr. William Samoei Ruto nigo abereka otabura nigo beariganete gwanchana na machibu yekigambiro asensemo ya Raila niga atabirobna nari no kwegena okona chwango chokorekana asenchire ereyo bwasyo kunaboigo ekene ono mancho murigereria ngo kwarigania se Amayia Ensa Eyemo yabona mogoroba iri ngo manyibuna nara yaya ngo kwariganire tia senchera ere yobwikirano gendera tugwati asensemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube tonyorwetra Ndizi TV News asomutandao Twitter na bogo twitwetra @Ndizi TV News osoto bwata se website yaito www.ndizitv.or.ke eri tobe togosanga mankiretriane Everline Osero oritokubatrana nere kwenekia awekera sensemo imanyererio nigakoro kwa Auta kabana ntuikomerio. Kwariganito chake Amayia Ensa Eyemo korwase county ya Kisii agwase Amayia Eyemo korwase nsemo ya Amariba yo kutoka sebunge Nyaribari chache county ya Kisii ere no buroro bonene magega yo kubasiria abancho ba batatu ase omubasokano obwepara ritkoria ijuma eikiaeta abo barenchera koirana chinga kikonya ba kobiro mwana bogo chase eskuru ya Kenya Medical Training Center muri keito Josephat Amisi nigatwariganire tioroboti orwase nchera yoboime
abagendia bechigali nigo basemigwe banyareko ba maiso anenekero bagendrete nemeremo yobosombi bwa paralituko aselinde ayanigo achire magega ya eamate ansekenyoro kya maliba eyego toka me constituency Nyaribari chache gosiria abantu batatu kubatakana mu basokano y'Nyarako bakorekana ase epara ya sotik kochia ase ensemo ya keroka
abantu bamintu baliemo kogenda chigali para tigatwene kina twagendira ngora na inde mono monansi chikona chire onye turu chie kona ngani ndabwire go chimutu tigakwetanie gari lakini onye kuruji lyo overtake chikona chie para ekurukisi ekoenda sotik chikona ne chinyinge chiro iba bantu bamintu toko batebinga ya korekanira na inde nare like bakoreka nonye nto keyinjiro toko gendie gari na kubabangari kwe kutule para
Brother, we take on Wednesday, on Thursday morning. After one year college to university, to join me as a first year because you are nursing degree. So, Akaramo ira oro, Agakora everything that came over Yakara, what we tomorrow. Akawad meet in this college, Bakora everything. So doing Bagachaka, we run a back home. Balenge, Garime, Ereno Mongoya, no Manoyo Momura, or Kabere. Amondende na amana ne amontraba come from around no moi goito no va inga dingonsi okairana akraba isiwa karoka di pangas hotel karibna karoke town no va mudena makulia
ekero egetaseni Ndizi television Kenya ko begotarenge yo nigo Kenya basani abamate amona bairi bagendete ko bakoreta amagombabo kubatikana abonono gosiria abamu abo batatu asemo basokano ibe para
ono gamna lichara baga ono tingo cyose tumai abana bana bakineti bakongo na manyete nyama ebirenge nabina bakineti ngabakini eso Christmas nari ekyona nante kyore lakini anko abana abana bane kanyana nje na yembe nabo mukungu ndabona na matanga ama kulia na ndangira nchimaya
bano twatira besike batatu na bamba akina bero bukumye twanyora shocking news on Thursday evening na Beatrice yosire no mwana koboko kanyana twagambire nero na Wednesday bachire baka kapkatete awiswaje ko iru mwana kabyanga kapkatete no nasinga kolero akaenda bagacheka nanga yumwana guchako ngichi hostel na kya guchakobera
nabo enke yoniganya rekoba kegosaba abarai bonzi babwate okoganyo kuya banyareko bagwesokia na kweneka banyareko bakobatirana amonenge yo kwenekia buna emeroberio yokubaenia abanchu babo yanyareko bage koba ase enchira yoboikirano
akimonda akitonya toto nkonyango gaki Mondu usio musigo yo ngate gaki na monkonye sanduki Abarangkon, aina arongo sa.
Sister na Danvers batikira abana magega kinjira yali gutuka abana aba bakonywe. Kubwa mono mwana uri umalibuka lenyagetari bali mu understand it munali. Kinjira yali gutuka akinya sai. Isiramo sabotwale bakora umwana uri yakuyene.
So I'm appealing to everybody of goodwill. I give hand because
Oripoteria Ndizi TV korwa county ya Kisii reterane Josephat Amisi.
Mia muno murikeito Josephat Amisi ase oroboti ururikiranu korwa ase county ya Kisii. Umongino yomo no mwana yo munyaruka uyore class ya 5 na rimo korwa ase bunge ya South Mungrango ime county ya Kisii nigo batangira segeta seni kyabanyanyimbo kietago magega ya barabugo kagerwa koba abarogi. Eye magega ya barabugo toka asoboina bwengeyemo iyo yabage komwenya omwa matobo ase amatukabwangwega nonya nabo mugambi bw'ekinsemecho nigo ainekega korekyo na watayona nigo obutukibura chiko korwa asoboime koire kumanya ninki barenge kokora ase obuinobo.
Kitinda mimba wa mchungaji Magoya ambaye alifariki, tulikuwa tumekaa hapo nje tu tukiota moto, tukapata kwamba kuna mtoto mdogo ambaye yuko hapo karibu na kaburi penye kulikuwa na viti. So tulipomuuliza vizuri akasema kwamba walikuwa wamekuja na mama yake mahali hapo akamwacha. So tulipochunguza vizuri tulikuja baadaye tukapata mama na tukagundua kwamba ni kama hawako na nia mzuri na ni kama walikuwa wanataka pengine kutoa mwili. Sasa tukawa na kelele.
Mkono wa Mungu utaonekana. Usiku wa kuamkia leo kitu kama sasa nikapata simu kutoka kwa boma yake. Mmoja wa kijana yake alinipigia simu akaniambia, "Mchungaji, ni kama yale maneno ambayo ulisema miujiza hiyo ni kama imetendeka." So nikaja nikapata watu wawili ambao mienendo yake ni kama walikuwa ni watu wenye nia mbaya. Chenye nitaweza kusema ni kwamba Mungu aweze kuwasamehe watu wake na tuendelee kumuita huyu Mungu sababu nyakati hizi ni za mwisho.
Watu wamekusanyika wengi na kuna mama moja alikuwa na msichana yake na watu walikuwa nadhania wamekuja kwa njia ambayo si nzuri kama uchawi. So kama kawaida mimi kama mtumishi wa serikali nitumia mbinu zangu za kutuliza wananchi, kisha nikaita katika sehemu police station ili waje kunisaidia for enforcement. So tukaweka kwa gari, so wakaenda na process itaro na watu hata kama ni wabaya ama wazuri hawatufai kuchukua sheria mkononi.
Omurai wensomo chore Dr. William Samoei Ruto ritkoria lero nigaikirana ase umusangirikano obwa masabo yokwiraneria mbia mono ase nsemo ya Njoro imeye county ya Nakuru asabaga kubakira bamenyi benseme yo ngambia mono aso kubachora abarai bobo bwa Kenya kwanza ase ubunge. Ruto boigo nigaba gakorie ira yo gochokorera abakenye mirimo kinga kiara chake obokoreri bwaye bunumurayo gatano obwense ya Kenya iri okoreta maunchurire nabo igamagendere mense ya Kenya asiboigo abaga goteba bunani nigo byariganetie gosika ukona cyagwe kigambiro awo ankyo kubwatikana neki kibwatananitie amachibu yobochore bonene bw'umwaka uyo.
Kubaliana kama Kenya kwanza ya kwamba mambo yetu ni mawili: kuunganisha wananchi wa taifa letu la Kenya kutoka sehemu zote na kupanga mambo ya maendeleo. Those are our two major assignments. Mahakama ya upeo itatoa uamuzi wake. Kwa sababu sisi ni nchi ya kufuata sheria, pia tutaheshimu uamuzi wa mahakama ya upeo. Hivyo ndivyo tutakavyokuwa na nchi ambayo itakuwa ni nchi ya Wakenya wote. Na hakuna Mkenya mkubwa na mdogo. Wakenya wote ni kiwango kimoja chini ya sheria na katiba yetu ya Kenya. And it is very important, even as we begin the journey as a nation, that we agree that Kenya is going to be a country based on the rule of law. that because we respect the law, we respect institutions that are set up by the law. That we will respect IEBC and its decisions because we are law-abiding, and we respect the law because we are a country based on the rule of law.
Asense mwe ayo mukonyo Ruto Rigathi Gachagua nigateba buna omukia bwa masabono rokoirera abaraya baya asagania abakenya koenekia obotoereru chinga kichonsi nere Musalia Mudavadi uyuru muraibe kiama National Congress nigo agania omorembe nabo igobomo asaba Kenya chinga ki baganyete okona chakurwase ekigambiro.
Mambo ya ukabila na uchochezi katika kaunti ya Nakuru imeisha. Sasa tukae pamoja, tupendane, tufanye biashara pamoja, hata muoane, muzae watoto, ndio tuweze kuendelea mbele. Na mtu Kenya tena atakubali watoto ya wenyewe watumiwe vibaya. Na ndio hii uchaguzi hii imeonesha ya kwamba mtoto ya mama yeyote anaweza kuwa rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya. Si imeonekana? This election, what it has done is to encourage every Kenyan that working hard and praying to God, you can achieve your dream in your lifetime.
We as a government want to be peaceful, we want to unite everybody, and we are committed to work diligently under the leadership of William Samoei Ruto so that we can achieve what we pledged in our manifesto. We do not have time to waste on other issues. So prayers are extremely critical for us to maintain that path. And I'm sure we shall be able to achieve it, na Kenya itakuwa nzuri, na tutakuwa na furaha.
Umuraibu mobwe Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Raila Odinga amono mukonyo ye Martha Karua litkolia lero nigo baba bakumerana nababwatani bo mobwe Azimio la Umoja One Kenya kurwase county ya Meru ase Raila bagakubakira ngambia mono asokwerwa kubwatia obo mobwe chinga kyecho Raila nigo abakago kwanere kinekyo gekagaire kona chwabulitkolia angyo asawro kyo kwegena kwa yebuna oboene naboigo obo gosebo sibole no oboene mbuchikorokana asaba Kenya.
We as Azimio are confident that our cause is just, and in fighting for a just cause, you never get deterred by setbacks. Setbacks are part of the game, but we have a belief in justice. We believe that ultimately justice shall triumph, and that it is the Kenyan people who will be happier. Therefore, we've said that Kenyans should continue to have us in their prayers. We pray for peace, we also pray for wisdom, and we hope that the Supreme Court will deliver a fair ruling which will help us to strengthen our democracy in our country.
Kukwana asege karekyo ni gomo waziri bw'oburemi Peter Munya abaga okwanera okunganya koyo kabeiro mu governor we county ya Meru Kiraitu Murungi korwa ase Azimio na watebabuna bamenyi korwa ase county ya Meru nigo batigarete gotena bokongu asobo mobwa Azimio la Umoja One Kenya.
The defection of the former governor of Meru is just a confirmation of what we have always known, that his sympathies lay elsewhere, and therefore it is better to have strong people who are committed to you than have saboteurs within your team. So the saboteurs have left, and we are left with a stronger team that is going to guarantee us victory that we strongly know was stolen from us, because the evidence is there. We believe our victory cannot be taken away, and we are eagerly waiting for the judgment that will be delivered tomorrow. We believe it will be fair and just, and we are ready to continue with this journey to our destination, which is determined that you will be the 5th President of the Republic of Kenya.
Omurai w'ekiama kia Ford Kenya Moses Wetangula nigaburiria barai na boigo aba Kenya kubwatirana erio korwa obokoreri borobu ya Amayia Ensa ya Kenya gokwana ime ya Bungoma. Wetangula nigo alieira yo gochia kubwatirana amo n'umurai omochore Dr. William Samoei Ruto erio goikeraniria abananchi obokoreri borobu ya tinga kiboigo egatia barai korwa se county ya Bungoma bamungani gose baba kumugania Wetangula kweneke bunanku banyorare tinga kiara chake obokoreri ase serikali.
Tunaomba tutemee pamoja, tusimame pamoja na tufanye kazi, kwa sababu William Samoei Ruto means business. He's not alone. It's a collegiate to transform and change the equation of politics in Kenya, the economy of our people, and embrace our bottom-up engagement with the Hustler Fund coming here.
And for the first time for a long time, Mheshimiwa Party Leader na Mheshimiwa Governor mmeturudisha kwa serikali. We want to assure you of our full support kuona ya kwamba Bungoma County and Luya Nation inakaa katikati wa serikali. Na ukienda kuwa speaker, sisi you have our full support.
Oyo kabeiro maseneta we county ya Embu Leni Kivuti nigaegereire getambukiro kyomurai we kiama kia Devolution Empowerment Party DEP kiraitu murungi goswase obomo bwa Kenya Kwanza asikiri atairebuna abamenya bange korwase county ya Embu nigo bamwakireto murayo gatano wensomo chore Dr. William Samoei Ruto chikura kirobo chori obonene bwa beto bakorekana Amayia Ensa ya Kenya.
Devolution Empowerment Party, we discussed this internally and we came to a consensus simply because the majority of our people, they actually elected His Excellency William Samoei Ruto, and we would be deceiving ourselves if we think we are leaders not following the wish of our people. And for that reason, we said we want to stay with the people, we want to go where our people are, and we went to Kenya Kwanza. What I'm trying to say is it's not a single person's decision. It was a collective decision of all of us in the party. Kenya Kwanza is a partnership. It's not like we are selling the bus or we are dissolving the bus. We just join the coalition as a partner.
Omuriki obotamba se wizara yechsemi oyoboigo otenerete gosokorigereria igoro yomuroberio OCBC o Professor Fatuma Shege nigo abayinekeire abaibori na nigo baguche gwikerania ekerengo kiemia igoro yemia kiaboroki wabali baguche gosoa ase junior secondary ase omwaka ugocha nigatere buna nigo baguche kubwatrana erio koenekia buna babeire bakubwatrana na bateneriri gose chiskuru chiabantu nyene koenekia buno muroberio yobere kogwikiraniwa ase chiskuru chionsi nigaja kwana ase skuru ya Kerugoya municipality ye gotoka Amayia county ya Kirinyaga.
We are expecting to have 1.26 million in junior secondary schools, and if you have been following very closely, you will notice that the first focus was in actually creating infrastructure in the public schools before even the primary schools came in, and we've been doing that since January. We had 2 phases of classrooms, and the second phase is almost complete. We have this partnership in place between private schools and public schools under the Ministry of Education, and partnership between private and the public is not a new thing, and therefore we are just doing the right thing to do, to partner with the private schools so that they can create spaces for the Kenyan children.
Tugutigana nayo nigo musacha yomo bwe myaka 45 agotebekana kumuita mamu mwabo bwe myaka 52 na kumutindeka ase amatoke ekenyorokia Kirimahiga ebunge ya Mafio ya imeye county ya Murang'a kurengana n'abanyakenyoro abarenge na mayanda manene nigo baichanirege korekyo asibagania abantu wesokia na kuringoriwa umuchando bwobongo nabo yokugania abantu wakorobote ase abanyanyimbo ekero barorire egekore bunekyo.
Kijana yake alimuua kwa shoka, alimkuta akikamua akamgoga kichwa. Na sasa amemshika kwa madisi, lakini tumemuona. Kama familia tuko na huzuni kwa sababu tujawahi ona kitendo kama hiki tena, tumeiona huku kwetu saa hii. Na tunaomba watu wenye wako na watu wanaonekana kama wako na akili baya waangalie na waende wa report ndio wasifanye kitendo kama hii tena.
Asubuhi ya leo tulikuwa na kitendo kibaya sana kwa sababu wa kijana mwingine aliua mama yake alafu akamweka kwa simu kwa madizi. Kwa hivyo sasa tuko na uchungu na watu wengi kutoka asubuhi hawafanyi kazi, wako area tu kwa sababu wanaona kama sio ni kitendo kibaya. Kwa hivyo mimi naomba watu wote wakiona kitendo kama hiyo ama waone kitu ingine wajaribu kuripoti, kwa sababu wakiripoti tutakuwa tukisaidika.
Kwikiraga bono mwanchi umurigereri nongo korera Amayia Ensa Eyemo yobwekirano ekarongo wakirangambia mona sogochora kobana inchi kwikomerio bali bonse baba kubwatirana ninche kwene kiabuna onse awikira senchira yobwekirano na barabuni gonko bakirangambia mono tumerana na indekero chirarage chinsa isato asaya mona yanda manga senchira yobwekirano ekarongo kwinyore na bakogendera gutobwati asensemere ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube tonyore wetera Ndizi TV News ase umutandao Twitter na bago twitwetera @Ndizi TV News baigo na bago tobwati ase website yaito www.ndizitv.or.ke eryo togendere gusanga na yamange tobasa guskare gendera utwaro buligereri borobia iretariane Everline Osero ortwa kwatrana nere kwene kia awikira sense mu imanyiriro ni gakoro kwa Joshua Auta.
Ndizi TV ubwenso bwumugusi nigo bono yakoni kirundekerene nego kurendera chibiche chinkia na boigo chinkeno nukukigima na bogo tonyora asoro gonkor bogusi neji county chito etanaine una county ya Kisii, Nyamira, Homa Bay, Bomet, Kisumu, Migori